Huh?
Come here, Chowder. Go in there. Come on. Come
Oh,
on.
she's scared.
No, she might poo or pee.
So my dad just got a new truck, and we're about to go to our company warehouse, start installing some stuff on it. Last week we installed a running board. That was fun. This is how I do my hair, by the way. It's very possible I might not have enough battery for this whole thing. Yep. Gotta go. Also. Hey, Chowder.
Ready? About to put the bed liner and the tonneau
ready.
cover on. Let's go!
Yes, sir. I was gonna say, what are we doing? But you already said it.
Oh.
So this is the office. This is where all the carts are supposed to be. Yeah. This is the new truck. We installed these last week. Looks pretty good. Chowder. There goes Chowder. Hey! Chowder, what's wrong with you? Are you looking for mommy or something? So this is before, nothing installed.
Yeah.
Just kind of, it's all dirty. We gotta clean it. Because this is, you said this is adhesive?
Yeah, it forms to the bed.
Yeah, it's a perfect fit. This is it. Just gotta. Should we watch the video first?
Yeah.
Watch the full installation and then follow along. I mean, it looks pretty straightforward. Not that many pieces.
No. Bed liner, both sides assembly, hardware kit.
Whoa, you good, Charlie? You dying on me? Done.
Yay! Yeah!
At least this part is.
Now the tonneau cover. Hey, wait. Hey!
BedRug.
Yes! Cool.
Sweet. Looks good.
Yes! One down.
Yeah.
Nice. That looks cool, boy.
Yeah, it looks good.
Good.
What about from the inside?
I forgot we had this whole piece.
Oh my goodness. So we didn't have to cut it? Wow. Ooh. You fit the truck pretty well.
Yeah.
Did you come with it? think we're done.
Huh?
Well, we're tightening stuff, but I don't know what time we started. It's 3:40. What time we get here? Like 11? 11? Yeah. 2 installs. Alright.
That looks tight. Good job, boy.
Thanks. You did good too.
Hey, it's done.
Huh?
Come here, Charter. Go in there. Come on.
Oh, she's scared.
Now she might poo or pee.
Yay. Yeah.
She likes it.
What do you think, Charter? So, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. Say bye. My dad's checking it out.
Bye. Ah, get me out of here, boy.
That's gonna do it. Like and subscribe. Comment your favorite part of the vlog. Stay blessed, stay lit, and have a good day. Deuces!